Hello everyone. In this lesson, we learn contractions in English. Let's get started. Contractions with the verb to be. I am, I'm. Example, I'm really tired today. You are, you're. You're doing a great job. He is, he's. He's always on time. She is, she's. She's really talented. It is, it's. It's raining outside. We are, we're. We're going on a vacation next week. They are, they're. They're coming to the party tonight. Contractions with have. I have, I've. Example, I've been to China before. You have, you've. You've done a great job. We have, we've. We've traveled to many countries. They have, they've. They've been friends for years. Contraction with has and is. Has and is have the same contractions. He has, his. Example, he's finished his work. He is, his. He's a talented musician. She has, she's. She's visited Japan. She is, she's. She's my best friend. Contractions with will. I will, I'll. Example, I'll call you later. You will, you'll. You love this movie. We will, will. We'll start the meeting in a few minutes. They will, they'll. They'll be thrilled with the news. He will, he'll. He'll finish the project by tomorrow. She will, she'll. She'll be a great addition to the team. It will, it'll. It'll be a sunny day tomorrow. Contractions with had and would. I had, I'd. Example, I'd already seen that movie before. I would, I'd. I'd love to go on vacation next month. You had, you'd. You'd already left when I arrived. You would, you'd. You'd love the movie, it's really entertaining. We had, we'd. We'd already visited that city last year. We would, we'd. We'd be happy to help you with your project. They had, they'd. They'd already left by the time I got there. They would, they'd. They'd love to join us for dinner. He had, he'd. He'd never believe what happened to me today. She had, she'd. She'd never been to that restaurant before. Negative contractions. Do not, don't. Example, we don't have any more milk. Does not, doesn't. She doesn't have any siblings. Did not, didn't. She didn't go to the gym yesterday. Is not, isn't. He isn't feeling well today. Are not, aren't. The flowers aren't blooming yet. Was not, wasn't. She wasn't feeling well yesterday. Were not, weren't. You weren't paying attention during the lecture. Should not, shouldn't. You shouldn't eat too much junk food. Has not, hasn't. He hasn't seen that movie. Were not, weren't. We weren't expecting such a big crowd. Had not, hadn't. We hadn't anticipated such a difficult challenge. Would not, wouldn't. He wouldn't give up until he achieved his goal. Cannot, can't. I can't believe what just happened. Will not, won't. I won't give up on my dreams. Could not, couldn't. I couldn't find my keys this morning. Have not, haven't. We haven't seen each other in a long time. Must not, mustn't. She mustn't reveal the secret. Need not, needn't. We needn't rush. We have plenty of time. Might not, mightn't. We mightn't get there on time due to the heavy traffic. Other contractions. That is, that's. Example, that's a beautiful sunset. There is, there's. There's a cat on the roof. What is, what's. What's your favorite color? Where is, where's. I wonder where's my phone. Who is, whose. I wonder who's going to win the competition.